Hi everyone. This essential oil tip is actually going to involve a neti pot. And if you don't know what a neti pot is, it's basically normally how you use it is you put either boiled water that has been cooled or distilled water in here, and then you use neti salt, which is just specifically made to be used with a neti pot. And it's good for if you have any kind of nasal congestion, any kind of sinus congestion. And basically what you can do if you want to use essential oils with the neti pot is you want to put the salt, scoop the salt out, and in the case of my neti pot, I use a fourth of a teaspoon. So basically I would scoop it into this fourth of a teaspoon, and mine is actually stainless steel. I recommend that you probably use something like this if you're gonna use essential oils with it. I mean, I've tried it, and this isn't, I just want to tell you that this isn't doTERRA approved, this is Marlena approved. I just decided to do this on my own, but I also have read about people using it for resources like Essentials of the Earth actually said something about using essential oils in your neti pot. But basically what you want to do is scoop your salt into, in this case, a fourth of a teaspoon. Then I actually have been using Breathe, but it's diluted. I have a D on it for diluted, and what that means is basically I put 1 drop of Breathe, because this is a sample bottle. This isn't the regular bottle that Breathe normally comes in. It normally comes in a 15 milliliter. But basically I put 1 drop of Breathe in this amber bottle, and then I mixed it with however much oil I could. I use coconut oil, and I put it in here. In fact, I put 2 drops in here, and then I filled this up to the top with coconut oil, and I use that because I wouldn't suggest to use it full strength because it would just be too potent. But you want to actually put a drop after you mix it. Mix it with whatever oil. You don't have to use coconut oil. You can use jojoba oil. You can use sweet almond oil. You can use basically even olive oil. And then once you mix the Breathe with that oil, and there's other oils that you can use with the neti pot, like Maluka, frankincense, and I would suggest that you also, if you decide to use those, to dilute those too. But you scoop the salt into this, and I'll just do this. This isn't really the way you would do it because you would be in your bathroom doing this, but you scoop it, and you can see that I have some salt in there, and I would basically add a drop to this. Now I'm not going to do this because it might miss and be on the floor, but anyway. And then you put it in your neti pot, and then you add your water after following the instructions to your neti pot, whether you boil it, then let it cool down, and then do that, because you never want to use tap water with your neti pot. You always want to have it either come to a boil and then let it cool, or use distilled water. But this is a way to open up your sinuses more, especially because I know in my case they want you to do the neti pot twice a day, but a lot of times just because of being busy, there's no way I can do it. I'm lucky if I can do it once a day. So that's when I'll do this. And then another way that you can actually open up your sinuses is if you have a diffuser, which is basically just a device that changes your essential oil to a mist. You can actually put Breathe in there, and that will open up your sinuses too. So I hope that this is helpful. comment below if you do try this, and let me know how it goes. So I hope you have a wonderful day. Till next time, take care. Bye bye.